Okay. Hi guys. So today we will instruct another circuit by using PIC18. So again we will go to the library and pick up the PIC18 F4550, this one. Yeah. Lagging. Okay. Cool. Like it. Start in the middle. So today what we are gonna do, so we will connect 8 LEDs to port D, and we want to make it controlled by 2 push buttons. The first one, it will turn the first 4, and the second one it will turn the other 4. So let me show you. So let's pick the LED, go again to LED blue and yellow. So connect it there, move it, flip it by pressing plus. So one here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, make them 8. Okay, and we want to change their value. No, it's okay. So, and do you want to pick up resistor? So there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connected together. So, and connected to the ports. Port D0, let me make it closer. Okay. And here, go to port D1, port D3, port D4 to this one, port D5 to this one, 46 here, and last port D7. So then we'll take a push button here. We will use 2, so one it will be here and the other it will be here. So connected to port B0, and this one connected to port B1. So we want to make it active low, so when we press the button it will be a low value here. So we will pick up place terminal grounded, so grounded here. Okay, and here also, and also this one we have to make it. We don't have to make it. It depends, but I think to make it active high. So goes to here, connect it all to the ground. So when the value here is high, so all the LEDs will be on. or connect to the ground, and place terminal, take a power, connect it to our PIC, and here we also want to make power here and power here also. So take a resistor here also. Changing the value of all resistors. So this one makes 1000. This one also. And here we want to choose a small value. So 300. Not here. 300. Here also. Okay. Okay. So let me just check so fast if there's anything. No. Okay, this is our circuit. This is how to construct our circuit. So what we wanted to do, so when we press this button, the first 4 LEDs will turn on. When we press this button, the other 4 will be on. And when the button is unpressed, so it will be off. So next, go to MBLab. Okay, like always, new, save as. I will save it here, so I have to change it to led.asm. So we have to add ASM to any names that we want to make. Save project wizard. We have to make sure this device is the same device that we used, PIC18F4550. Next, pros, LED. Okay, next, LED, add, next, finished. Okay, there is it. So we will start with usual coding. Include P18F45 dot inc okay, org 0x00, go to start, org 0x08, rectify, org 0x18, rectify, start. Nope, just to check our coding is correct, and absolutely okay, successful. Okay, everything is good now. So close it, and we will start. First, we have to specify the output. So our output will be port D, and our input will be port B. So clearref trace D to be our output, A. Okay, then set F trace B A. Next, we want to clear all the values there, so just to make sure are 0 before we do any coding. So clearref port D A, clearref the both ports, port B A. Okay, so now we will start with our program. So the idea now is, first of all, we have to check. The programming starts with checking. So check. So it will start with the first button here. So the first button, it has to check if the value is 0 here, so it will turn all the LED here is on. So what we're gonna do is use the BTFSS test file set skip. So it will be port, check port B0, this one B0. So check this port. So it will skip. If it's set, it will skip this line, which is on LED. Branch on LED, and we have to identify on LED later. So if it's not, so we want him to clear all the values there. So BCF port D0A. So we start with port 0A and other BCF port D1A, and just show the time. Okay, this one will be 2, this one will be 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it starts with 0 here, port D0, 1, 2, 3. So until 3, it will be all this four LEDs. So it will check if it's not set. If it's set, it will skip this one. If it's not set, it will go to branch on LED. So branch on LED, it make it 1. Okay. So branch on LED 1, it will be that we identify on LED 1. It will be on LED 1. We have to identify it like BSF 1, BSF set port D0A. So port D0A and the other ports. So just so here. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So he will check if it's low value, if it's clear, so it will branch on LED 1, it will goes to here, so it will set board D0 until board D3, so all it will be set, so all the LED it will be on. So, and we have to go back after he checking, after he make all the LED. So if we branch check again, it will go to here. So whatever value whatever coding we make here, so it will never go in. So we have to branch it here, next and the next line, and the next line. Yeah. So branch, let's say next. Okay, so you will make it here next. So it will goes to here next. So next it will be the same thing, BTFSS for port B. This time it will be 1. So now you will go to port B1. So branch on LED 2. So this will be on LED 2, and we have to identify after that. So he will skip this one. He will skip this one to be, it's just clear this one, take it again. It's the same coding, just changing the numbers. And now here, until here. Okay, on LED, so it will be here. So now we change the numbers, it will be, we end up here until 3. So we start with 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is the 8th LED. So here, this is, we'll go to next branch on LED. So after this one, let's say branch check again. Okay, here we have to identify the next LED. Next on LED 2, it will be so on LED 2 it will be the same as on LED 1, but we change the numbers. So here, let me take it just on LED 1, there is it, take it, make it here, and change the values. So this one will be 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, and we end up with check, branch check. So branch check, so our program will be, so first of all we identify the ports. Port D will be the output, and port B will be the input, and we make sure it's clear, so we clear it all. So next we'll go to check. It will skip if it's set. If it's not set, it will go to branch on LED 1, which is here. It will set all of that, for all the LEDs from 1 to 4, from 0 to 3, and it will go to next branch. It will go to here, and it will check again. If it's set, it will go to, if it's not set, it will go to branch on LED 2. If it's set, it will clear all the values. and it will go to on VD2 PSF port D from 4 to 7. Branch check again, and let's just check the program. It's correct or not? Yeah, it's correct. So just close it, and now we have to go to configuration bits. Take this off, like the previous example. So I change this one to HS, and the watchdog timers to disable it, and where is it? Port B, make this digital, and last of all LVB, change it to be disabled. Okay, now just we check, all good. So just close it, go here, export, okay, export this one, yes. So we'll go back to our circuit, this one, edit properties, go to our files, it's supposed to be in the desktop. So here, LED, here, open, change this one to 20 megahertz. Okay, and now it's supposed to be good. So when you press this one, the first 4 will be on. When you press this one, the last 4 will be on, and we'll keep it all on. Take it off, all off. So that's all. Thank you so much, guys, and bye.